I hope you're doing well and welcome to another flower nose unboxing. Today is my birthday and I got a set of flower nose makeup products for my birthday presents. Let's open it up together. I'm so excited, you guys, and the box is so pretty as always. This is from the new Swan Ballet collection. I picked the makeup products I wanted, so I know which makeup products will be in there, as well as some of the gifts they sent, but they sent them in random colors as always, so I don't know which ones I'll be getting. Let's open it up together. I'm so excited, guys. This is a bag from the 7-year anniversary gift. Oh, it's actually way smaller than I thought. Look how cute this is. Let's open it up together. Oh, that's so cute. I saw it before it's a bag you can wear under your shoulder, but it's actually so small. I think I will just hold it in my hands. It's a really pretty pink color and the flower nose logo is on it. So there's actually quite a lot of space. I can fit my phone in there. I'm going to wear this when I go out next time. It doesn't come with a chain, but it does have this where you can put chains on it. I want to start with the one I'm most excited for. It's the loose powder. So my mom has already opened the plastic seal of every packaging and checked the products to make sure that nothing comes broken or come in wrong shades. If you want to gift your friends makeup products as a surprise, please do make sure you open them to check that nothing is broken. My friend got last time a broken highlighter. She opened it up, she was so excited the powder came all over her pants. That was really sad. This is a Flower Nose Swan Ballet Series Music Box Loose Setting Powder in the shade 01. I know it will look very beautiful along from the packaging. It's actually a little bit smaller than I thought. You guys, that's so beautiful. Look at that. I know it's just plastic, but oh my, that's so detailed and cute. I'm always really excited when I receive makeup for Flower Nose. I'm literally shaking right now. Oh, look at the cute powder puff. There's a white sticker you have to peel off. I will check it out later. I've only seen pictures of it online, so I don't know what to expect and which size it will be. I don't know, maybe I expected something bigger. I have no idea. I'm just really excited to have it finally in my hands. And moving on, we have a blush from the Swan Ballet series. Let's open it up. From the pictures of it looks like the blush packaging will be bigger than all their previous blushes. I'm so excited for this. That looks even more beautiful than in the pictures. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys. Oh, look at how beautiful it looks. And I like the pink packaging and the twin swans. I also really like the light blue water lake background. This is so beautiful. Oh, it didn't come with a plastic paper on top like how they would do it previously. The embossment is so beautiful as always. Makes you don't want to use it. It's a way lighter pink than I was expecting. I hope this will show up on my skin tone. I really like the packaging and its magnetic opening as always, but I'm not sure about the shade. I'm not sure I will like it. This time I only ordered one blush from them because I feel like the shades are getting repetitive. Like I don't need so many matte blushes in so light pastel kind of colors. Like so many of them are just light pink and light peach colors. They won't really show up well on my skin tone. It's a trend here to have this kind of light blush shades. It will brighten up your complexion like a matte highlighter, as well as adding a little bit of color to really plump up your cheeks and give you a natural look. I do like it, but I don't need like 10 different shades of it. I already have enough Flower Nose blushes, so this time I only ordered one. I brought over my drawer of Flower Nose blushes. This is my favorite drawer in all of my makeup collection. Look at all these beautiful babies. Have you guys ordered blushes from Flower Nose before, and which one was your favorite? I think until now the strawberry rococo packaging is still my all-time favorite. Moving on, I got this pair of powder puffs. It seems that in this collection they recommend using this kind of finger powder puffs to apply your blush. Like I saw people reviewing it, they would rub this over the blush and then tap it on here. I've never applied blush with a powder puff before. Maybe I will try it out. It's very soft and fluffy, and it's nice that they're giving this away for free. I've seen more people using powder puffs to apply blushes lately. Have you guys tried that before? Oh, and we have a blush brush. I'm every time excited to receive a Flower Nose blush brush because they always come in 2 different colors and you don't know which one you will get. This time it comes either in a clear packaging or in a light pink packaging, and I can already see from the box it will be pink, so I'm very excited. I've never bought a Flower Nose blush brush before. I always get it for free along my orders, which makes me really excited. You guys know pink is my favorite color, and I'm so glad I got this in pink. We have another beautiful mini blush brush from Flower Nose. The handle feels a lot more slimmer, narrower, thinner than before. It might be hard to hold. This looks so beautiful. I wanted to use the word obsessed, but I feel like people find this word obnoxious by hearing so many influencers saying it all the time. Now let's move on to another big item. I ordered an eyeshadow palette from the Swan Ballet series. This is my second eyeshadow palette from Flower Nose. I ordered in the shade Pink Swan. There are 3 palettes, White Swan, Black Swan, and Pink Swan, and the color of each packaging is different. The White Swan palette is a neutral, peachy, apricot colored palette. The Black Swan palette is actually very exciting. There's some matte grays and blacks and a popping red color in there. And then there's this palette, the one I ordered. Look how beautiful this is. This is Pink Swan. It's going to be a pink palette. I don't know why I've been craving for a pink eyeshadow palette to create some of the pink K-pop looks I've seen. Oh. As always, I love their packaging so much. This is a Pink Swan eyeshadow palette and blush compared to each other. Oh, I love the way they look. This palette is so pretty, I'm going to sleep with it tonight. I'm so excited and nervous, I'm shaking. I'm trying not to drop the eyeshadow palette. So we have some, excuse the shaking, we have some pink and brown matte eyeshadows here, and then we have really sparkly. This one looks more orange than this one. Really beautiful shimmery shades. I will do beautiful looks with this one. Have you guys tried Flower Nose eyeshadow palettes before? I feel like they always come in such a pretty but bulky packaging, and there's only a few shades in there and all really organized colors. Most of their palettes are really wearable shades, so you can't really go wrong with it. Moving on to the next exciting item. Oh, by the way, I have a news to tell you guys. So I have bought from Flower Nose Unicorn, Strawberry Rococo, Chocolate Shop, Moonlight Mermaid, and now the Swan Ballet collection. I bought from 5 of their collections. And you guys know I really like the brand. You guys know I really like the brand and I always get excited when I receive makeup from Flower Nose, so I applied for their affiliate program where I have a discount code, and if people use my discount code Palina to shop on their site, they get 5% off and I will earn a small commission. And 2 people actually used my code to order stuff from Flower Nose, and that just blew me away because I can't believe that someone actually watching my video and someone who actually shop on the Flower Nose site buying makeup, and then on the end when they do the checkout they put my name inside. I feel so honored, I can't believe it. I felt really overwhelming when I received the email that someone used my code to buy stuff. I generated total $4. Like the first order, someone bought stuff for $20 something and I got $1 something. And the other order I got $2.96. So I generated $4 from commissions, and I feel like an influencer. I feel overwhelming. I don't have a PayPal account, so I can't claim the money. I only get it for fun, and now I feel so honored that someone actually put my name inside of the I was so excited that I made $4 even so I can't claim the money. I told my best friend that I made $4 off from Flower Nose commissions, and that I will invite her to go to a boba tea shop and she can choose anything from the shop but just 1 cup and I'll pay for it. So yeah, that happened, and if you guys want to shop on Flower Nose and get 5% off, you can use my code if you want to. It's Palina, and I'm just extremely grateful and flattered that you guys think of me when you buy makeup. Anyways, let's go back to the unboxing. The next product is very exciting. It's a liquid eyeshadow from the Swan Ballet series. This is the shade 03 Rock Ballet. I know it'll be a silver one. Oh, look at that! I really like the silver cap, the transparent packaging, and then this beautiful swan print on it, and the logo that says Flower Nose. You guys, that looks really glittery. Let me see how this looks. I'm opening it, guys. I'm opening it for the first time. Did you hear that? Oh, there's a lot of glitter already on it. Ah, look how pretty that is. I don't know how to use this, so excuse me, I don't know how to swatch it. Let me just put it on my hand. It's very watery, and you can see how my hands are shaking because I'm very nervous and excited. That looks beautiful, right? Do you guys get so excited over a new makeup product that you are shaking in excitement, or is this just me? Am I weird? Is it normal? Next product is a lipstick from the Swan Ballet series. This one is supposed to be a solid lip gloss from what I've seen. They call it Shine Lipstick. People have been saying this is a solid lip gloss, so I don't know what to expect. Let's go. Look at this cute pink packaging. It actually feels heavy in the hand. The bottom of the lipstick is metal, unless I'm stupid and mistaking it for metal, but it's actually really heavy in the hand. There's a pair of ballet shoes on the top of the lipstick. I really like the packaging of it. Should we switch the color? I'm twisting it for the first time. Let me put it on my hand. Oh, that's actually a lot more pigmented than I was expecting. I thought this would be sheer. It's very glowy and it's a nice shade of pink. This is the shade B03 Sweetheart. That's a cute name. And now moving on, there are only 2 things left. They are both gifts. This is a hair clip from their Swan Ballet series. With every collection Flower Nose release, so far they always bring out hair clips. I have the ones from the Moonlight Mermaid series, the Chocolate Shop series, I have it from the Unicorn series. They're pretty cute. Oh look, that's adorable. Shall we try it on? That's a pretty big one I would put on the top of my ponytail. The last item is a mirror gift. Sadly, I didn't get the one from the Swan Ballet series. That hand mirror is actually very beautiful, but instead I got the 7-year anniversary mirror. It comes either in a pink color or in a crystal one, and I really wished for the pink one, but I can already tell from the packaging I'll get the crystal one. Let's open it up. It's such a big one. Let's open it. Oh, you guys, it's so cute. I like the mermaid on it. The 7-year anniversary gift was released shortly after the Moonlight Mermaid collection, so this one has the mermaid design. Oh, so the bottom have nothing and the top is a mirror. That's so cute. I'm not sure I would carry this around with me. I would be afraid that it will break on me because it's so fragile. I have a hand mirror from the Moonlight Mermaid collection and the handle did break on me. I dropped it once because I was stupid while I was filming a video and this cracked. I glued it back, it worked again, and after a few days the handle fell off again, then I glued it again, then it broke again, so I can't fix it anymore. Here's a comparison. The mirrors from Flower Nose are just so beautiful. And that, you guys, is everything I got from the Swan Ballet series from Flower Nose. This was my birthday present. I'm gonna go celebrate my birthday with my friends and family now. I hope you guys all have a good day. Take care of yourselves. And if you want to buy anything from Flower Nose, please consider using my code. It makes me so honored and grateful. And anyways, take care of yourself, okay? And drink water, eat well. I'll see you all next time. Bye!